Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today, we're working on Kea Bea's project that we made via the quilt shop. It's called Project Peanut, and it's a Band-Aid quilt, and it's very adorable, and it serves a great cause. So if you want to take an interest in it or really like the block that's going on the quilt today, then check it out. There's, I'm sure Pop will put in a link, and we even did a video on creating this whole quilt top together as part of her project. We wanted to help out. So this is the biggest quilt project that they have, and of course you can go to her YouTube channel and look up Band-Aid quilt, and it's all right there and all the information if you are in the States, or it's easier to mail to the States. She's more than willing to take one of your blocks, but if you're up here in Canada, then please just send it to us at the Mom Pop Quilt Shop, and we will put it together and send it down to her. So this is our little helping out. I really like the way it turned out. I love the hearts that are all the same, and then I just chose two different colored fabrics for the Band-Aids, and then a nice plaid for the, I guess, the borders and the sashing and stuff. So what I wanted to do is, I've got it off the belt. I've chose a celery colored thread just because it kind of shows up gold on here, and it really kind of brings out the bit of gold that's in the plaid. And yeah, I'm just gonna quilt it up. Uh-oh, here comes trouble. All right, see, I'm just doing a loose wishbone in the top, and I'm going to do it down the sides and in between, and then I'm going to do more of a tighter little loop in here to highlight, to like pretty much stitch down the Band-Aid and highlight the heart. I'm not gonna, I think I'm just maybe just come around, or just as I stitch around it, it'll happen. So what you doing, Mr. Magoo? All right, and here we go. You can see what it's Project Wednesday is all about. So just slow and steady, and I'm using the plaid as my reference points to do my loop. It's straight, so well, you know, why not let it help aid you? All right. Of course, you could do big loops, little loops, any kind of loops you want. You can just go back and forth if you like. You can just do like a thicker matchstick, or like I don't know, like a cheese stick, or not cheese stick. That's what I would say. Carrot stick. Yeah, they're orange. Doesn't have to be super tight together or anything. Just wanted to get it quilted in a nice little interesting pattern, not necessarily an edge to edge, but something that we quilted up here at the quilt shop. Everybody's got a story, right? Everybody's got chapters. I'm just slowly working my way across. And I'm going to go all the way across on this one, but I'm not going to on the lower ones in between the blocks, because I'm going to turn the quilt. There we go, just end on the outside here. I'll turn the quilt and end up stitching the wishbone this way. Okay, so we'll end that there's. Oops, on the little snips. Okay, put you back. And then we'll work one of these Band-Aids so you can see what I'm up to. Oh, there's always threads. And try and work from one spot. If you're a lefty, righty, righty, lefty, doesn't matter. Just kind of go from one spot and then just work your way. You could even just do little swirls. You could do nothing, or you could just do lines. Make it easy for you. Okay. I'm just going to do a little loop meander. Okay. Nothing too complicated. Just try and filling up the Band-Aid, stitching it down. So when it comes to that heart part, it's going to stand out. It's going to pop out like a big old heart, like it's beaten. fill it in. Super fun project, great way to bust your scraps, especially if you just want to help, you know, and contribute a little bit, help a little bit. We're happy to take one of the blocks here if you want to send it. And we will, once we have a full quilt like this one, which is 12, we will send it off to her. Or if it's Canadians, we'll just send it off to one of our own children's hospitals. But this one's definitely going to Kea. It's KeaBee at the Hive. Don't forget to move and breathe and be loose with the shoulders. And just work your way to the other part of the Band-Aid. Or whatever you're working on, you know. If you want to just highlight something around. And I have a really cute flannel for the back. It's actually got Noah's Ark characters on it. And it's nice and bright. And then I put some green flannel strips on either side because it wasn't quite wide enough. I had it long enough. Well, we'll have to come back and do that centerpiece. That's okay. We can work it. Yeah, it wasn't quite wide enough, but it was, and a little bit shy on the length of it too. But I had enough green flannel to match to fill it all in. So it looks really cute. I thought the burgundy might have been too dark on the thread color. And gold, it just looked too yellowy on it. But when you put the celery up against the burgundies, it kind of looks goldish. So that's why I chose that one. And don't forget to end off on an outside spot. Of course, and just do a little stitching on the ditch in there. Okay, look how pretty that is. Makes that whole heart stand out. All right, we'll go back and do that little, like 1 or 2 loops that we need to do in the center here. Okay, I guess we probably could have come, might have been a bit much. Been much to travel. Okay. We'll just do this, up, out of the corner, and stitch. And lock. There we go. Perfect. Puffy little heart. Puffy little pretty heart. Oh, that's all the way too. There. Isn't that cute? I like it. I like it. And then here's the other fabric we chose for our Band-Aid. We'll start up here on the outside edge. Anywhere you want to start. Just mark some stitches. Make sure it's kind of hidden. And then just proceed. Try to work my way back and forth, knowing that I have to come out all the way over here, so to get to the other side, right? So I'm trying to pace myself. Watch it there, buddy. You're gonna get stepped on. Mr. Magoo is picking a weird spot to try and have a nap. And I thought the nice softer green on the back side of the fabric with the flannel would help maybe soften it and almost lose itself, because it's a pretty little pattern stitch out with all the cartoony kind of characters of the Noah's Ark animals. There we go. That was a nice little transition there. Sometimes some are prettier than others, as we well know. I'm trying to get it just here. I don't like coming. I don't mind stopping and starting again to get those centered little bits. That's okay by me. Pretty little flower on this fabric. Isn't it just adorable? Super cute. And just fill it in so you can get to the end of the Band-Aid or whatever square or section you're working on. And just end on the outside here. There we go. Me too. And it really makes those hearts. I really like that. Puffs out the heart. This is a good quality poly batting. There shouldn't be any issues with it, even wash after wash. So I only hope it's that love that it gets washed many times. All right. There. Here. There. All right, and then what I was going to do was start and stop the wishbones right here, so I can be able to stitch down this side when I flip and do the quilt. So, but I don't mind leaving these kind of them puffing out because it kind of gives a bit of dimension to the Band-Aid, right? Okay, so we'll just kind of work our way up here and start the process. Looking where those gold lines are in the pattern. Of course, you can always chalk this out if it was on something solid. Make sure you're good, like 2 inches, 3 inches apart, whatever you want to, space you want to do for your wishbones. These are probably about 2 inches, I would say. And then just put her along. No time at all. Get your project done. And you can send it off. And help a little munchkin, a little peanut in need of a little extra love. I think I have just enough of a light green fabric to do the binding. I may have enough if I mix a couple of colors to go all the way around. So we'll see. I did kind of utilize what I had. Okay, now I don't want to go all the way to the end. I want to stop just at the bottom of the Band-Aids. Okay, so keep consciously aware of where I'm going. This will be the last one here. And I'm just going to kind of end off right there. Okay. Perfect. There we go. And that is just how I'm going to keep puttering away at this beautiful project. And once I get it twisted, I'll do these little wishbones right here too, okay? Boy, you really want some time today, don't you, buddy? Have a fantastic Wednesday. Don't forget to check out her video and our video of her putting the block together. If you want to do that, she gives you all the measurements for that. But we put the whole quilt together via one of our weekend projects. Do a little search and it pops right up. Have a fantastic Wednesday. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing to our channel. Reached 11,000. We're super excited. We just never thought that would ever happen. Thank you, everybody. Big hugs, and we will see you on Weekend Project and then the live stream on the weekend. We're still working on that, beautiful, scrappy rainbow log cabin. All right, take care, everybody. Big hugs. Have yourself a wonderful day. See you later. Bye-bye.